like to welcome the Director General.
Sit down. Sit down. Well done. Well done.
The Director General, sir. The Acting Director Special Duties that support him throughout the year to drive the scheme up to this period. Without wasting much of your time,
It is only the press that can let Nigerians and the world know what you are doing. So I want to thank you immensely for all this support. As you said, though even the tongue and the teeth are quarrel, but at the end of the day, they are still together. We may have one or two issues, but it is trashed. The most important is the communication between us should be very, very effective. Where there are issues that need clarification, you just get across to us. We saw this, what is our opinion? We will tell you our opinion over it. I know the one that is trending now, you may want to ask me about the copper. I know you want to ask me. The army spokesman has spoken, and I'm sure you must have read it. Every organization has its own custom and tradition, and you have to abide by it. We on our part, we have addressed we spoke to our corps members, because we do encourage corps members to marry one another. All of you are all ex-corps members. I'm sure maybe met her husband during the service here, I don't know, and so on and so forth. So we do encourage corps members for inter-tribal, inter-cultural, inter-religious marriages and so on, because with that, it will promote our unity and our integration. We will do that. But we've never had experience where we go and propose. So it's, the army has its own tradition, and they don't joke with the tradition. We always talk to our corps members that we always play by the rules, and that's what I can tell people. So I'm sure nobody will ask me another question in respect of that again. Because is it point they'll be calling and all that, say, DG, what do I do? So I said, no, you put me on the spotlight, because I also belong to the army, is that not? But I can assure you that the army as an institution built on its custom and tradition. So anything that will now impinge on their discipline, I think they will not take it. And this is what has happened. So that is it. I want to thank you immensely for the support that you have given to us. Throughout this year, we've had 6 orientation exercises. It is quite historical, because with the challenge of COVID-19, we're able to achieve this feat.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.